that was to say, what I share, no one may be an ED, no my drinks, I mean, sit down, I mean, one them. On my long life and prosperity, may you live long, eh?
So we started sharing the food from East Legon Under Bridge, and then we came to Shashi, and now at Korea with my brothers. I love them so much. So grateful for each and every one that came to us today. First of all, give thanks to God Almighty for making this possible. And then to all of you, God bless you so much for your time, energy, and everything. And then to Konamah's charity project, we say thank you. If you're out there listening to me right now, you don't need to have billions to give back to society. The little that you have, you can also support another person, and you'll be a blessing to someone else. I love you, or God bless you.
Yes, my name is wife. I am my wife.
So now this is the end of the project. We started from East Legon Under Bridge, and then we came to Shashi, and now in Jowulu traffic light.
We
I
did
say thank you to everybody. I love you so much, and very soon we're gonna do another project again. To my director, Kobe Echampo, thank you for directing this. I love you so much. To Kopia, superstar, and let's all my divas and everybody that makes hi. And to the best cameraman ever.
Buy so gas. Lighter is the best.
You let me move. You cry.